Hey guys, Grant Downey here at FTI Performance. Want to take this opportunity to show you how to properly measure the overall height of the torque converter. You may be asked this or have to provide it to a tech during installation. So what we will ask you to do first is to grab a measuring device, typically a tape measure, and a straight edge of your choice. We're going to contain the fluid or dump out as much as possible and find a flat surface so you can flip it over and have that for your measurement. Okay, once you have it flipped over right here, you're going to put the straight edge on top of the mounting pads. You're going to get your tape measure out, measure from the flat surface to the straight edge. You're going to record that measurement. Then you're going to move it over to the pilot, and you're going to provide that measurement and record it as well. Once you get that to one of us down at FTI, we'll be able to solve all your problems from there.